Hi and welcome back. I don't should say. Okay, sorry. Hi and welcome to a lengthy video of me ranting because I have nothing to do. But yeah, so today I'm gonna share a story that I am going through, like about my phone and what happened like previous week with me. So you know what happened like few weeks ago or something, like few days ago, there was this update. So my phone got updated, and after that, like after few days, or I think one day after the update, for some reason there was this, like I was working, my phone was completely idle. So I saw this green line on my screen and I was like terrified, like what happened or anything. And I locked it, and then when I again opened it after like few seconds, the line was gone, and I was like, oh thank god it was gone, because it never happened with me. uh, for my lengthy life that I have lived through the phones, I never had like this green line issue. I have heard like people talk about it, going through it, but I never had. So I was like very afraid, like what is happening. Then I was like, okay, it's gone. But you know what, like crazy thing happened. After a few minutes the green line came again, and this time it was here to stay. It was like permanent. It was a single green line on my screen. So for reference, I have Samsung phone, S series phone, and it's not that old. It's like, for me it's fairly new phone, because I actually take care of my electronics and my things quite well. So I feel like, if I am paying such hefty amount, it should last me for years. I know my friends say and people say that you should change your phone after 2 years or something, but I'm not like that. I had previously I also had another Samsung phone, and I actually used it for 6 years. Yeah, 6 complete years. That's a story for another day. I think I would have been used it for a few more years, but unfortunately something tragic happened and I had to give it up. The phone was like, dude, I am done, please be done with me, let me go buy a new phone or something. It was so funny. But yeah, I got this phone, S series. If you know, Samsung S series, the phone, those phones, they actually cost quite a lot, not like iPhone or anything, but still they cost a lot. So for me also, it was like, okay, I got that. And then I was like panicking, like this green screen. I searched online like what to do, and I saw that this is a fairly common situation in Samsung phones, especially in the S series phones. So people are saying, Samsung is providing the free screen replacement. And I was like quite, I was like, oh, thank God, like they are providing this free screen replacement. But then there is also like loopholes in that. Like, your phone should be within the warranty period of 3 years, and there should not be a physical damage or water damage. Uh, then. Then when I went to the care, I got to know that they will check for the internal damage, and also like internal damage you have to add to the list of the loopholes. If you have internal damage also, you have to pay extra. And I was like, okay. I saw a few YouTube videos, people have uploaded in YouTube, they went through the similar situation. Not recently, it was a year ago or something. Someone posted he went through the same situation with the same mobile model as me, and he said he went to care, and uh, his this problem also happened after update. So I think, Samsung, I don't know why they, like they Samsung models, they are facing this green line issue after updates. They should do something about it. But yeah, they are doing something about it, because they are giving the free screen replacement. So he said that he went to Samsung care, and they said they checked. He actually got the entire video. He said that before every update he records his screen, like the phone from with another phone or something, and after the update he again records it. So like he keeps a log, like what is happening. So I was like, I don't have that, like what is gonna happen. So he said he went to Samsung care, and they said, yeah, they will provide the free screen replacement, but he have to pay like 1,000 or 2,000 something extra. I don't know why, I don't remember, but yeah. And he said, yeah, he agreed to pay. Even I would have agreed to pay, because you know the SCD's phone, they cost so much. So when you go for a screen replacement or original screen replacement, it's gonna cost you like around 10-11,000. So obviously between 2,000 and 11,000, you are going to choose 2,000. So I was like, okay, even if you know they tell me give 2,000, I will agree to it. So then, you know, I went to Samsung Care, and first when I went, they checked my phone. They said your phone is in impeccable condition. There is no damage, water damage or physical damage that we can see. Okay, I need to chill for a bit. Oh, I talked so much. Let me have some coffee. Okay. So I went to Samsung Care, and they checked my phone. They said the phone is in absolute good condition. They can see at the time, it does not have any physical damage. It does not have any water damage. They said, you know, you have to submit your phone for 4-5 working days. So you have to arrange for an alternate phone. So I came back that day without submitting my phone, because I did not had an alternate phone at that time actually. And I asked around to my friends, and one of my friend very graciously gave me their phone, that they had like a spare phone. I'm very thankful for that. I don't know what I would have done. So I backed up my data. That is another story. I ended up losing few data. I don't know why, even though I backed it up to my Google Drive. So I got the alternate phone, I backed up my data, I transferred my data, and again I went to the Samsung Care on Monday or Tuesday the next week. So again, they checked my phone, and they were like asking for the invoice that the phone's invoice originally. So what you need is your phone's invoice, and that's it. They again checked for the physical damage, water damage, and that time they told me that they have to check for the internal damage also. So if there is internal damage, again I have to pay for that. It won't come within the warranty period or something. But if they don't find any kind of damage, then I just have to pay the labor charges. That will cost me around like 650 to 750, and all the other cost, the Samsung will bear it. So I was like really happy. I give it to them, and yeah, I'm still waiting for them to update like what happened with my phone. I will update you guys on that. I am now going to collect my phone in HSR. I'll see you after I get my phone. So I came to office and I got these. I asked the bhaiya what is this. He said it's gulula. Okay, we have gulula in Odisha. It's quite different, but this one also tastes so nice, and I'm having it with coffee. Such a nice day. Such nice view. Loving it. Made Maggie for my dinner, and that's it for this day, guys. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.